Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:14 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Chapel Hill, or near Douglasville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Douglasville, Smyrna, East Point, College Park, Hapeville, Sweetwater Creek State Park, West End, Chapel Hill, Bankhead, Six Flags Over Georgia, Cascade Heights, Campbellton, Bolton, Sandtown, Vinings, and Mableton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.